subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update.
Which has a 7000 series aluminum frame. Of course, the biggest change comes from a single-shot 2-dual camera design.
US and I don't want to further elaborate on our innovations, but just to name a few, and globally speaking, Xiaomi smartphones, 5 of our smartphones won 8 elected by museums, top-notch museum, and the world. We begin an extraordinary journey of modern art. A special piece of object is placed amongst other masterpieces of this art center. A revolutionary full-screen design lets the screen take up almost the entire front end. The ceramic unibody feels as warm as jade, yet exceptionally strong.
And with 18K gold highlight on the surrounding. So actually, the full screen 2.0 is much more beautiful than the common design with a notch, right? So these are the pictures of ceramic black version, especially when it comes with the highlight of this 18K gold. It looks even more beautiful.